fans, the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we've got one that came in an exotic nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount. Not too shabby. We've got some Okinawa Soba by Myojo Japan. And is that chashu? No. What? No. Katsu bonito flavor. Katsudon. Anyways, it's time to cook. Let's lower that heat. We don't want to boil the crap out of it. We want to keep the crap in it. Here's the block. Slightly thicker. Messy. 3 minutes, right? Right? 400 calories. Yeah, 3 minutes. Easy. Easy peasy. We got 26 minutes until my daughter has school. The show, it's always under the gun. Going, faster, going. So, yesterday, well, 2 days ago, I did a show where I was talking about how the Ramen Junkies group hit 50,000 members. Well, newsflash, it's at 51,000 now. And people are just as ornery and compunctory as ever. They don't care. They're cranky. That's okay. I don't know. Everybody's just so quick to think that somebody's trying to, like, be a jerk to them or this or that. I guess it's the times and society we live in. Momofuku Ando speaks. There's nothing cranky about this guy. We're on quote number 199. We're over halfway through this book. Number 199, there is a right place for every person, just as even the same seat may or may not flourish. Wait. There is a right place for every person, just as even the same seed may or may not flourish depending on the soil and fertilizer. That's very true. Everything he says is logical, except for a good old number 42, but yeah. Got our tax return. That's good. Our car. Don't have that yet. They said, hey, it'll take 3.5 weeks. I believe, let's see, it was January 15th. Now it's March 2nd. So, and something that, like, if you're driving a car, I guess, I don't drive. I'm legally blind, okay? So I don't drive. You turn the wheel and you let go and the power steering makes the wheel go back to the middle. Yeah, it doesn't want to do that. Doesn't want to do that. So, oh, and we got a ticket. We got a moving violation. They wanted 190 and she did the, I'm not contesting the ticket, but I want to explain. So it went from 190 down to 110. That's $80 to, like, reply and use a stamp. That's a pretty sweet deal for a forever stamp. So here we are. Here is our udon. Kind of like umax. Yeah, I know. What's he talking about? What's that mean? If you don't know, I'm not gonna bother you with it. But if you do know, ha ha ha. See, now there's channel lore. I was told by my buddy, the fat hipster, oh, well, there's this and this and this, and, you know, that's called channel lore. I'm like, are you serious? There's actually terminology for these things. Like, I wonder what that's on the wall. Oh, that's part of the lore of the channel. Coming up on 12:45 in the afternoon here at the Ramen Raider World Headquarters. And I'm going to try this Okinawa Soba. Definitely a bonito broth. Oh, damn it! Damn it! Damn it! You might be asking, what is he damning? I'm damning the fact that I remembered to ask my lovely wife to grab some dumplings at the store the other day. And I could have put some of those dumplings in this one, but I forgot. So they're frozen in the freezer. I've never gotten dumplings or like this. So, oh, but I did find this. Check out this bowl, yo! I found this at the thrift store the other day. They wanted a ridiculous $5 for it, but I didn't care. Why would I care about that? It's only money. This is a bowl from Taiwan. And I don't know what it says. I almost want to say it says like Happy New Year or like Gong, you know, Fat Choi. I'm not sure, but whatever it says, I really like this bowl. Although I don't like that everything is submerged and it's not just a pattern. That makes it a little difficult. A golden gear? Okay. I love it when Mimi gets on like, what's that? They sound like an old married couple. It's funny. What the hell are you talking about? Yeah, I need to like, I can't wait till we have our freaking car back so I can go to an Asian grocery on the weekend. Because when I can do that, oh my God, this is like the longest time I haven't been to an Asian grocery, and I need to go down to Seattle and check out some out of the way places, some holes in the wall. Need to look at some Vietnamese stuff. I really love to be in Canada, but hey, Miles, you want to go to Canada? That's right, Canada is closed. Yep, all of Canada is closed to us. Yeah. I miss Hello Kitty Canada too, believe it or not. I don't miss how much it costs to go to Hello Kitty Canada. They've got like Hello Kitty accoutrements there that are like freaking obscenely expensive. But it makes my little girl so happy. There's some tempura bits. Wow. They call this chili powder, but I have a real strong suspicion this is not just chili powder. This is shichimi. It's gotta be shichimi. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah, there's more than just one kind of thing in with that. Don't try to trick me. I know things. You need the remote? How about please? Stinky little cuss. Cheapers. Don't be a stinky little cuss, Mimi. You need to be a nice girl. It's really nice. It's nice to be nice. It doesn't cost anything. Man. Okay, well. Rotato, go-tato. Come on, something upbeat. Hey! Oh, where's the remote? Where did you put the remote? Well, the one I'm gonna have tomorrow is from Pakistan. It's M-O-R-R-E, More, chicken flavor, but I don't have any chicken because, I don't know, I'm not expecting a lot. But we'll see. We'll give it a chance. And, yeah, like, subscribe, all that crap. Do whatever you want. Have a good time. It's been Odds the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.